So I'm trying to finish this one off today. Just got to put these little trees up here. Just see. Ooh. Just see. In a right mess actually. Let's try it again. So, just trying to put these trees up here. They're just here. I think there's actually two. I can see just two. Two tree trunks there, so I'm just gonna indicate that there's a little bit of foliage there. You don't have to draw every leaf or anything, just indicate just by a few dots and dashes like that. The brush I'm using is quite fine. I think they call it, this is a Dala only, no, Dala Daylon, and it is known as a rigger. I guess because you can add fine rigs to boats. I just made that up. I'm not sure if that's true. Anyway, there is that's all I'm going to do to that because that's all I can see. Maybe flatten the top a bit there like that. Make more sense of it, like that. Yes, so I'm happy with that. This is a beach down in Carmarthen in North Devon, and there's always what do you call these? Kayak, paddle boats. There's always a lot of these little boats going on, but I just thought actually I'm just going to put one in. I might just add a little bit more sparkle just to straighten out some of these straight marks, which I did with actually I'll show you, I did it with a straight brush to do the sunset on the sea. I just literally put a line down of white, a little bit of lemon in there, and then just scurried it over like that. But I think it needs a little bit more sparkle just on the edges to get rid of that straight line I've made there. Then I think it's finished. I don't want to do too much to it. I'm quite pleased with that. Don't quite know how it's going a bit. Maybe it's my hand shaking, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll show you the finished, I'll try and show you the finished result. I'm not sure why it's going a bit blurred, but thanks for watching.